Item Legacy going to be popular. Subscribe if you did not. I am Palm Tree. I'll be guiding you into the big rabbit hole of challenges. Please enjoy and subscribe since let's go to the first challenge. See, what is it? Mystery. The first challenge is the volcano challenge. Get up the volcano. Let's go. There's traps. And the secret paper. That's a high volcano. Oh, Mom. You guys get up. Goodbye. Sayonara. Seriously, God, sheesh. It's gonna be like this. Damn. What's this? It's like a mysterious paper. What is it? Let's see. Yogurt, pineapple, iPhone, coffees, paper, electro marker, fonties, bully rampers, runners. What? In a lap backpack? We're so close, bro. We have to get up quick. Let's take this, guys. The left. Fonties win. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share it to your friends. Thanks for watching IT1. Let's go for IT2 next time. See me at another episode of IT Item Legacy.